Hello people, namaste, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will discuss about another important lesson is medico legal autopsy from forensic medicine third year MBBS. In medico legal autopsy I will discuss the important questions for university exams only. One of the important question is exhumation. Exhumation is a very important question for university exams. So what is exhumation? Legal digging of already buried body. The body undergoes buried, but we are legally digging the buried body. It is called exhumation. Next, time limit. India has no time limit for exhumation. When we put again the case, then take the body and again they will make the autopsy. So there is no time limit in India. Next, autopsies are performed on examined bodies, like criminal cases and civil cases, or these are present. Why these why autopsies are performed on examined bodies? So because of two cases, like civil cases and service cases. In civil cases, when we give a complaint like somebody killed, homicidal, like suspicious poisoning, any criminal abortions, criminal negligence, all this comes under criminal negligence, criminal abortions, any homicidal and any suspicious poisoning comes under criminal cases. In civil cases we can call as accident, because of civil cases like accidental death claim, for workman's compensation claim, to for claim, inheritance claim, accidental death claim, for compensation claim, and distributed identity for claim, we are making the case, and we are taking out the buried body outside and again make the autopsies, like in civil cases and in criminal cases. Criminal cases like homicidal, suspicious poisoning, criminal negligence, all these criminal abortions. Here for claim like death, what is it, workman's compensation claim, death claim, and inheritance claim. Next, authorization. Who will be performed this exhumation? Generally it should be order from the executive minister. Written order, only written order from the executive minister. When the executive minister gives the written order, then we can do this exhumation process. Okay, executive minister written order. Next, procedure. After the given the order, then how the procedure? Supervision under two, like three members, like medical officer, one police officer, one magistrate. Three officers like medical officer, police officer, magistrate under the supervision. This process will start. First, the grave site should be positively identified with identified features such as buried spot from persons present at the time of burial. See, means when the body is buried, no, the graveyard site. How can we know this is there? This is the graveyard site of the body where that body is buried in that place. Means some identifying features such as how we can identify, means some spots, burial spots, when who the persons are there when buried, take them, ask them to come, and ask them to come, then ask them to tell where is the body. So they will tell some, so by using some identification points. Okay, first of all. Next, these tests should be conducted in natural light only in natural light this test can be conducted. Okay, note the conditions. Again you should note the what is the condition of burial clothes, what is the surface of the body, how it is present, any suspected if the case is about suspected poison, and take the soil sample where the body has been digged out, and control sample also take, make the comparison. Take control sample, means another same sample from that outside of the outside of that, this is called a control sample, and take the buried dead body around the soil, and you can make comparison between them. Then we can suspect this is a suspected poisoning case. These are 3 points comes under procedure. First you should identify like burial points, ask them the relatives to come and see where is the person is buried. Next is we should do in only light, only natural light only. Next, again you should note the how it conditions, what is the surface of the body. And again if you suspect any like poisonous cases, take the soil from that, and another control soil also and you should compare to make comparisons. Next, the body should be identified again after the buried. The body should, when we take that person's nose, so this body should be identified by the close relatives and its friends. So this is the procedure. Next, postmortem examination. when we take that body, when we undergoes autopsy, post-mortem examination, in this post-mortem examination we should not use any disinfectants, because because of disinfectants, some it leads to change in the some cases. So result will be changes. So disinfect will not be sprinkled all over the body. When the we take the viscera, and this viscera will be preserved for chemical analysis. Only skeleton preserved, that bone is examined. If only skeleton, you should bone examine. You should in any viscera, take the viscera and preserve them. This is this postmortem examination. Secondary autopsy is another word. It is also done and rule out the result in first already first autopsy has already examination is done, but again they put a case, so again they will take out the body, and they will autopsy will be takes place. It's called secondary autopsy. If possible, variable result will be obtained. It helps in closing rumors. Sometimes after taking that, some other results will also come. Why secondary autopsy will takes place? Because to close the rumors, to close that rumors, we should again ask them to, again they undergoes to take for secondary autopsy. Postmortem imbibition is another word. This is the air present in soil that go into the body. Okay, imbibition.